Advantages and characteristics of lime powder ball press. Lime powder ball press, after years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, has the advantages of high pellet rate, low power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. Lime powder ball press. Due to the roller extrusion, the product has high density, high strength, high hardness of 3 high characteristics, and lime powder ball press rolls 650 mm hard material with good wear resistance, effectively improve the service life of the roller. Lime powder ball press can be processed according to user requirements of different specifications and shapes of ball and socket, after grinding high finish, easy to demolding. The material formed by the lime powder pelletizing mechanism is energy saving and environmentally friendly, easy to transport, improves the utilization rate of waste, and has good economic and social benefits.